Good morning, you all, my dear children. I am going to teach you about the mitochondria. This is the chapter 8 of your biology course for class 11th. What is mitochondria? You know that in each and every cell of animal or plant contain mitochondria. Mitochondria is rod shaped, or in some cases it may be spherical in shape. These are double layered structure in which outer layer is smooth, inner layer forms many finger-like structures towards inwards. These finger-like structures are called cristae. Inner membrane, this is inner membrane which folds inwards to form many finger-like structures. These are called cristae. The fluid present within this is called matrix. This one is matrix. On the surface of cristae, there are many racket-like structures are present on each cristae. Here also, here also, here also. On each and every cristae, there are many racket-like structures are present. These are called F1 particles, or you can say oxysomes. Oxysomes. The matrix contains DNA. Due to presence of DNA, mitochondria is autonomous. Autonomous means self-replicating, controls its own action. RNA is also present within this. Ribosomes are also present. These are the ribosomes. This is about the structure of mitochondria. You know that mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell. Why mitochondria is called powerhouse? Because it produces energy in the form of ATP. Due to production of ATP, energy currency of the cell, this mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. Okay? This is about the mitochondria. Next one, I am going to discuss about plastids. Plastids is another type of cell organelle found within the cell. Plastids. These are found only in plants, not in animals. As earlier I was discussing mitochondria that was found in both plants as well as animals. But here plastids are found only in plants, not in animals. Plastids are discovered by Schimper. Plastids are of three main types: leucoplast, chromoplast, and chloroplast. There are three types of plastids found in plants: leucoplast, chromoplast, and chloroplast. Leucoplasts are white colored, or you can say colorless. They are found in roots, whose function is to store food materials. Chromoplasts are colored other than green, means except green they may be of any color. Chromoplasts are found in flower petals as well as in fruits. They give color to plant parts, due to which attraction takes place. Chloroplast is green plastid present in all green parts of plant. The green color of plant is due to presence of chloroplast. Chloroplast contains a pigment chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment present within the chloroplast. Now I am going to discuss about the structure of chloroplast. What is the structure of chloroplast? Chloroplast is also double membranous oval shaped structure. Outer membrane, this one is inner membrane. Outer membrane, this one is inner membrane. Here, many disc-like structures are present within this. Each disc-like structure is called thylakoid. Thylakoid. And the piles of thylakoid is called granum. Granum. Singular is granum and plural are grana. They are connecting with each other like this. A large number of grana are present within the chloroplast. They are connecting together like this. In this way. These are called stroma lamellae. Stroma lamellae. The fluid part present within this chloroplast is called stroma. Stroma is the fluid part present within this. This is stroma. The stroma lamellae. The stroma contains DNA, RNA, ribosomes, etc. DNA, ribosomes, RNA. They are also found in mitochondria as well as in chloroplast. Chloroplast contains chlorophyll. Where chlorophyll is present? See here. Each disc-like structure is called thylakoid. And this thylakoid contains chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present in each disc-like structure. That one is thylakoid. This whole structure is known as chloroplast. And each disc-like structure is called thylakoid. And each thylakoid contains a pigment, green pigment, chlorophyll. This is the structure of chloroplast. What is the function of chloroplast? Chloroplast helps in photosynthesis. Due to presence of this structure, photosynthesis in plants takes place. And plants can manufacture their own food. They are self-food preparing, or you can say they are autotrophs. Okay? Thank you.